Whew, I'm finished. This is the skirting. So 80 feet each side, 160 plus 15 on each, that's 190 linear feet. And every 16 inches of this, I had to make a measurement and cut. And I put down starter shingle to keep the grass from growing so some idiot doesn't weed eat the skirting that I spent so much time putting in and mess it up. So. And I'm gonna enclose this with wood lattice, so you won't see that hole. Plus it'll give access to the bottom. And I had a bunch, well, some left over for that one. You can put lattice on this one too. And we're almost back around. Ta-da. I'm proud. It's my first time.